What's going on, everybody? It's your girl Chanel Stevens, and I'm back again with another video. And in this video, I'm gonna be going over how to make $100,000 with CPA affiliate marketing and Facebook ads. Facebook ads has been a hot traffic source for years and years and years, and the reason is because it's just tons and tons of people that browse Facebook. So I know I went over TikTok in my last video, but guys, you can't forget about Facebook. A lot of people say this Facebook ads still work. Isn't Facebook ads strict? I've been banned, all these things. But hey, at the end of the day, are you gonna be the type of person that make things happen even if you get banned? Like, I don't care if I get banned. I get friends and family accounts. I have a twin sister. I don't know if you guys know, but yes, I am a twin. So my sister, she shares everything with me. I use her Facebook. Like, you have to be able to do whatever it's going to take to do whatever you need to do. So if having a banned Facebook ad account or getting banned or so is something that'll stop you, that you're not, pretty much made for this. And I know it hurts feelings, and it's just like, well, but the good news is it's other alternatives. Okay. But you can't be the type of person where when roadblocks appear in life, you give up. Okay. So what's the workaround? Other traffic sources. So for people out there who may be looking at this and saying, oh, well, Facebook ads, I can't, just take the principles I'm using with this training, right, and apply it to, what I'm saying, your the traffic source that you're using. Okay. So now that I got that broken down, what I want to do is just basically I'm looking at Max Bounty campaigns right now. The reason I'm looking at Max Bounty is because I just got off a coaching call and just helped one of my students fill out the application for Max Bounty and get accepted into Max Bounty because they're pretty newbie friendly. Not even gonna say newbie. Like, you gotta know what you're doing. You gotta know how to, set up campaigns and stuff like that. But yeah, once you're my student, you're gonna know all that stuff. So I have them applying to Max Bounty or whatever. And yeah, so what I basically wanted to do was continue a video of, after him applying. I was gonna like kind of make this video, put it in the course or whatever. I'm like, I can just pretty much help out a ton of people, because not everybody's inside the course or whatever. So I understand that. So I decided, hey, let me do a little freebie today. I need content for YouTube anyway. So I guess it's just what I'm doing. I'm trying to stay consistent for you guys. So hit the subscribe button right now if you like the fact that I'm staying consistent with my YouTube channel. Let me know down in the comments. Thank you for everybody that commented in my last video, because that video got a lot of comments, and we picked a winner for the free student pass inside Mogul Academy. So one person got enrolled. I think his name was Keon or something like that. So shout out to you, Keon, for winning the student pass. Thanks for showing support on my videos, and yeah, I really, really appreciate y'all. All right, so let's dive right in. I'm gonna get a niche right here. So the niche that I want to go over, let's just do let's see. Let's see if I can find a good niche. So let me do Control F, and I'm gonna type in rent to own, right? So we basically just went over some rent to own stuff, right? So let's just say I wanted to do a CPL offer right here. Rent to owns paying $290 per lead. What would you do to perform competitive intelligence on Facebook to make that $100,000 campaign, right? So this is what you'll do. You'll come over here to the ad library. So Facebook has made it very, very easy. In the beginning, it was not always like this. You could not just hop on Facebook and just come in and see the ads. You had to actually go within Facebook and like type in a whole bunch of keywords and like look around. It used to be very, very tricky to find to do competitive intelligence. It's been tools out there, tons of tools that have been banned, that are not available anymore. So I mean, Facebook pretty much made it simple. They made it easy by giving you the ad library. So what the ad library is basically you can select all ads here, and you can just type in any keyword that you want. So let's say, for instance, we want to type in rent to own. All right, so rent to own, all we will have to do is type in search, select search this exact phrase. And once we select that, you'll be able to see all the rent to own ads. You can see it's 2,400 results, right? So it's going to be ads that's going to be launched in July, June, May, the beginning of February. So a lot of these ads might not even be active. once you start scrolling down, but the most recent ones are the most recent. So you can keep up with this. If you're in the rent to own niche, you can just keep up with this and just come by and check this on a weekly basis, you know, just see what's going on in your niche, what type of ads are launching. But this is how you can do competitive intelligence. I'm showing you guys how simple it is to do competitive intelligence, even with just Facebook. And this is just one niche. As you can see on Max Bounty, there's this is so all the offers that they have, right? It's just tons and tons and tons of offers. So I don't ever want you guys to think and lack this offer, that offer. This is where a lot of people get hung up in offers, is because they simply just see so many and they're just like, well, how do I pick just one? Just pick by niche. Okay, you see stuff, free stuff, gift cards, you guys, stuff like health, wellness, like, you know, pick a niche. Insurance right now I have you in rent to own, you got surveys and things like that. It's just a bunch of things that you can do when it comes to offers. So just, you have to go by niche. So what is something that interests you? What is something that you like? And then from there, you know, pick your traffic source. And then after you pick your traffic source, you have to know what exactly, you know, saying like the funnel that you want to use, right? So you need that funnel process, because a lot of you guys are new. So you get hung up and like, okay, well, how do I make an ad? How do I make a landing page? And I'm sitting here giving you right here. You just go to the ad library, right? Once you have that offer, once you selected your niche, and you can see an affiliate right here, just that fast. Rent, own, locate. And how do I know this? I mean, it just looks like an affiliate just by looking at it. But is this a guaranteed winner? No. And that's the thing you're gonna have to realize. No, it's not gonna be a guaranteed winner. Yes, it's gonna be some testing budget you need to find that winner. So you can't be scared of, oh, well, what if I launch this ad and it don't work? Okay, that is fine, right? It's perfectly okay, because you know what? It's other affiliates doing the same thing. It's other ads like this you can test out. A Canvas ad, right? We'll have tons of buttons, information, right? These are all the ads from other affiliates that's doing rent to own, the same niche, right? And when it comes to landing pages, so you have your ad already. So when it comes to landing pages, you just kind of see what they're doing as far as landing pages. So this looks like a simple affiliate landing page. They have their disclaimer, privacy policy, terms of service. So, you know, you want to do everything right because this is Facebook, right? And they have it just simple colors. It looks optimized for mobile. And yeah, are you a US resident? You just go through the quiz. I'm pretty sure no matter what button you click, it's going to, you know, take you to the same place, right? So it looks like they want you to enter your name and email so you could collect emails, or you can have a button that just says go here to view listings, but you can do the same thing and collect emails and remarket. And, you know, I also talk about email marketing and remarketing in Mogul Academy. So if you're not familiar with how to do email marketing and what you're supposed to do after people get the name, email, phone number, once you get this information, what do you do? Like, I go over all that, how to set it up, everything like that, because this is important in your marketing. Yes, I collect leads. Yes, I have a list. But at the end of the day, you can do both. You want to test both. You want to grab leads. You want to have, you know, build your own list as well. But do I put my sole emphasis on email marketing? No, it's just another aspect, right, of marketing to drive revenue, right? Because you can go out there. Maybe you might not want to be the type of person that want to hit your list every day, like email your list every single day. Like the people information you get, you don't want to, it might be a weekly thing. It might be a once a month type thing. You know, I'm more so, you know, every blue moon, I'll just hit my list or something like that when I just want like a boost of traffic, right? So, yeah, that's just one of the ways you can build assets in this marketing game is through email marketing. So boom, you see your landing page right here. You got tons of ads right here. And this is just one of the ways where you can do competitive intelligence and find certain assets for your business, such as pages, ads, things like that, right? Facebook gives you all that. So for all you thinking like, you know, Facebook is hard, I'm telling you, they give you everything. Like, it's literally so easy. It's never been easier to make $100,000 with Facebook ads. It hasn't been. It's never been easier because you literally have everything right here. There's no excuse. So all the newbies out there who your hang up is ads and offers and all this other stuff, this is a way you can do research, right? Another one I've been seeing that's very hot is debt. So I'm giving you guys tons of, for like, it's so much value on this channel. Like, if you don't subscribe or hit like or comment, like, you just a hater, because I'm literally giving you everything in these videos. Like you can't, Like, I'm giving you so much, you don't even have to really get inside Mogul Academy, like, unless you really like just want to take this serious. I feel like if you want to take this serious, then you'll get in Mogul Academy. But if you just want to dibble and dabble and just try some things out, like, I'm giving you what you need to do that off this channel. Like, it's crazy, right? So I'm gonna go into, let's see debt relief. Let's see if they got any specific offers for that, right? It's looking like an email only $60 per lead. I don't know what that's about, but you can see they got, some debt relief, some debt offers, some loan offers. So what you can do is you can come here. All right, so debt. You can see 50,000. It's a lot of debt ads, right? So it's probably gonna be too much for Facebook to even show, because they honestly can't give you everything. You can maybe try filtering it. Just try to get rid of a lot. All right, so I basically just added a filter and just made it on or after May 1st, 2022, and only images in English. Now you can change this in filters and literally put videos. Also, like, just add things, mix up the filter, whatever, to do your competitive intelligence. But I'm just showing you guys, like, different tools you can use. So once you're on this page, what you want to do is try to find other affiliates and just see if you can find anything that has anything to do with debt relief, and that's an affiliate. So let's look at this page, debt relief. All right, so this looks like an affiliate. You can see privacy policy here. So see if you qualify. You can hit yes, and it looks like it's taking you to an affiliate offer, Freedom, which I think this is Freedom Debt Relief. I've seen this offer before, or maybe this is another offer, but you can contact your affiliate manager, see if they can get access to this. And you can search for this offer elsewhere if Max Bounty were not to have it and you wanted to run this same exact funnel. But you can see they just had a simple quiz page, step 1, see if you qualify, and once you hit a button, it takes you to, I'm pretty sure even if you hit no, it still takes you there, right? Yeah, it still takes you there. So you can just see how pages like that work, and that's an affiliate right there. So yeah, you would just go through and just do competitive intelligence right here on the ad library. I'm just showing you how fast, easy, and simple it is to get started, to get your feet wet into affiliate marketing, before you have to spend a bunch of money on it. Of course, I get it. A lot of people, they be on the fence about joining Mogul Academy. Like, Mogul Academy is for the people that's, serious about CPA affiliate marketing. You don't want to sit here and have to spend thousands of dollars testing and not understanding the processes and the structure of creating ads, all the different ad networks. Like, I can just sum it up in what you need to do to get started running with CPA affiliate marketing, right? When it comes to that, like, that's who Mogul Academy is for. It's really not for the person who's online looking for, quick, fast, easy money online and stuff like that, because we all know, where that ends up, and that's not, successful. You just end up dabbling. I did that for years, so I understand the hangups on this YouTube thing, and just you get caught up in just watching YouTube videos and this tutorial. Well, this person said do this, or this person saying do that, and with so many things, forex, e-commerce, dropship, you got all these different things you can do. So hey, if you're the type of person you want to learn CPA marketing, I'm telling you, focus in, go watch my channel. I'm giving you stuff where you can get started, right? I got an academy so you can learn more. Like, it's literally as simple as, like, just following these videos and then log off and do the work, right? So get off YouTube and go take some action. All right, see you in the next video. Peace.